I have to explain this. It's not a personal thing. I'm not going to be there for long. But allow the accusations to come. Let us at least mention, I don't want to dwell on your last guest, but I want to just mention one reason. She was not relieved of her appointment because of corruption. She wasn't relieved of her appointment because
why was she relieved?
Because of the reasons. She was relieved of her appointment because of insubordination. My ministry that should supervise her wrote 7 letters to her. She never responded to one. And then, of course, she said she was bigger than the minister of Niger Delta.
Okay, insubordination.
So insubordination. I have the letter here.
Okay.
Then outside that, the then chief of staff, may he rest in peace, sent this to me. This was a petition from an anti-corruption agency, insisting that she did not have the requisite qualification to work as an acting managing director of a commission.
Okay, the title of this, if I could read it, if you permit me to do so, a case of non-possession of valid NYSC certificate by Joy Nunye, acting MD of NDDC, an urgent call for redress. And this is what she submitted as her only qualification on earth. A letter from Council of Legal Education. Okay. Just read what is written there, confirmation. Yes, this is to confirm that Nunye Joy Yimebe was a student of the Nigerian Law School during the 1989 and 1990 academic session. Go on. Yes, and she was mobilized for the National Youth Service Corps program for 1989-1990 service year. She has, however, informed us of the loss of her discharge certificate by a letter dated October 23, 2019. And this is somebody who was supposed to have finished in 1990, and it is in 2019. A few days to our inauguration, that she's informing us through a letter from law school, not through a letter from NYSC. And now she went... If I can still hold on to this. You will. Yeah. This is her affidavit. Well, this is her private handwriting, which she applied before the law school for a letter. Look at that. All right. This is written in longhand. Yes. So you take your time and go through it. Yes, I will. She alleged there that she had missed... letter of introduction to NYSC. Yes, that they should give her a letter of introduction from law school to NYSC. Okay. That she had lost her NYSC certificates. And this is the affidavit. Okay, apparently this is the affidavit. This is the affidavit she swore to. Okay. She swore to an affidavit in court that she lost her NYSC certificate in 2002. If you open, so if you open it, no, sorry. If you open, I'm coming. If you open the next page, you'll see that is a police extract from the police post in law school in 2019 October, and it is that extract comes from Mr. Ebenezer, who married to the sister, whom she said did not open the door for her to enter and take her certificates. But that is the same man that went to the police post to say that she had informed him that she lost her certificate. Okay, and so in addition to insubordination. No, let me come now. I want to give you another document. Okay. You have a letter from the Nigerian NYS itself. I can see that you're very well prepared. You've brought all kinds of documents, for us to peruse. But this is just read this. Please read the last paragraph. All right. This is from the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC. Just read that last paragraph. This is a photocopy. Read that last paragraph. However, no record exists either in NYSC Kwara State or NYSC National Directorate Headquarters to evidence her participation in the scheme. I rest my case. So I don't want to discuss her, because that is not the job of a minister. Was she removed after these findings? She was removed after these findings. If something comes up that you were not aware of, that the person occupying a position, just like the former Minister of Finance, did not have an NYSC certificate, you know our law, either exemption or otherwise, what do you do? So I think the problem here is you have to blame my heart. I'm very soft. Maybe because I have 4 daughters, I love women. Oh. So what happened is that I decided that this should not be made public. So but I just have been hard on her by actually sacking her, but no, I didn't sack her. Let's come back. The president approved her replacement. We didn't sack her. We needed to replace her because of the fact that she needs to explain these things. So we invite her to your studio and let her bring her certificates here and show you, and then come to us and tell us, oh, this is my NYSC. You can go and get certified true copy. I don't want people coming down and then trying to throw mud at other people because of personal reasons. Because the slander and slanderous allegations and all that she was making had no basis. But has she answered to this question? No, even that alone, we wrote to her. She has not answered it today. Okay. But I'm showing you her handwriting. Ask her whether that is not her handwriting. How can you swear to an affidavit? That is perjury.
But nobody has charged her. That is to show you that nobody is shunting her. That's why I said she needs to calm down and then reassess herself.